Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are not playing a Roblox video. I don't know what I'm doing, but whatever. I'm watching PewDiePie, what's his T-series. And you could see why I'm watching this. You see my mouse right here? 5 and 6. It's currently live right now there. And I know this is going to be a small video, but I'm curious about what's going to happen next. Who's going to win? Are you going to subscribe to PewDiePie or T-Series? And right now I am in my walk-in closet because it's too noisy outside. Yeah, don't mind that. Don't. And he has, how many subscribers is he away? 75,000 subscribers away. I'm so done if T-Series wins. Like, PewDiePie has been #1 forever in the history of YouTube. He was #1. And I can't believe it that T-Series just made it to 85 million. I'm not a team of him. I'm not PewDiePie's team. Comment down below what team are you in. And if you're a PewDiePie, please subscribe. We need to get up. 85, 86, 87, whatever. But this is hard to do, 85 million. And T-Series just beats him out of nowhere. T-Series was like 200,000 subscribers, and out of nowhere it comes to 85 million, and then that's it. PewDiePie is done. You know how hard PewDiePie and T-Series worked for this, but I know they both worked for this. But I don't know who's gonna win, and I don't want PewDiePie to get second place in the history of YouTube. He's gonna someone who has only just made a YouTube channel and just made movies beat PewDiePie. And literally walk. I can't speak today. Beep. I just forgot what I'm saying. I'm so tired. Wait, what was I saying? Again? So they have worked a lot for this one. He was making movies and songs, I don't know, but and then out of nowhere PewDiePie is making videos, and then out of nowhere again an 85 millionaire just comes in and tries to beat PewDiePie. It's a war. You know what happened when they had 70 million? 944,000, 70,988,000 for PewDiePie, and T-Series had 85,944,000. It was a hard one when this PewDiePie just blasted off to space. And now they're both together at the same millions again. I don't know, I always wonder what this face is. Comment down below again. And comment down below what team are you in. If you're watching this, please. In the video, right now, I'm gonna wait for you guys. And you have to click that like button, just smash it, and smash your TV or smash your phone or smash your laptop or whatever. Or smash your computer by clicking a like button. That's it. And if that subscribe button's red, glowing red, just waiting for you to click on, it's easy. You just go here, and then you go here, You exit. You come here. Lagging. You come here. And then you press the like button. And then you subscribe. And then you hit the bell. Wait, no. And you hit the bell. Hit the bell right there. So you never miss another video that I make. I don't know, like weeks. No, forget about that. And just press that notification bell. So you never miss another video. Okay, back to where we were. Oh my god. No. Let's read the comments. TJ, PewDiePie. Oh my god, it's going so fast. TJ, PewDiePie. Game over, Pew. TJ. They're just saying TJ.
That means
I don't know about this. I'm way scared. T-Series making me scared. TJ, stop TJ, Russian, PD, oh my, Arabic again, L series, TJ, why are we still here? I must go at all. T series, Arabic again, TJ, PewDiePie. I don't know about this one. And I don't know about this one in the video. Like 85 million? You can watch it right now. Like, I'm watching this live, but I don't know about you guys. If it's the same, or is it changed to 86 million, or PewDiePie's beating this, because it takes a lot of time, and I hate when it does that. Then my battery's go. I'm doing this on a laptop. This is only a trial. I'm not like PewDiePie or T-Series or 5 Minutes Craft or I don't know what. I don't know. There's sneezing in the background, but whatever. Yes. There's someone with me. My cousin. Yes. So, I don't know about you guys. Will PewDiePie win or T-Series win? You comment. You just comment. And say PewDiePie. It looks like die. PewDiePie. Please win. Please. Oh, there's my comment go. T-Series. Beat PewDiePie. If you are in the team of PewDiePie, write a comment on my video, say Pewd, P-E-W-D, Pewd. Or if you're at T-Series, just write T. I know most of you are not watching this video, but I want you to watch it. I need to sit in crisscross. I'm very hot. Much better. Hey, zombie. So, I know this was like off the topic of Roblox in our channel, but I had to make this video. I had to. I had this video today, but my laptop wasn't making me log in, and I just opened my laptop and boom, the password came up. But it was like should I restart your computer, advanced options, and turning on and off my computer, and it was going crazy. But now I just turn on, and then boom, the password is up. I wrote the password, I got here, I got in the closet, and then boom, I made this video. So I'm kind of running out of time. I only have 5 minutes. So I have only have 5 minutes again. So I'm going to end this video here, and comment down below what team you are in again. Again and again and again and again and again. What team are you in? PewDiePie or T-Series? I said if you are at PewDiePie's team, just write Pewd. If you're at T-Series team, just write T. And that's it. And make sure to wait. Make sure to leave a like. Just smash it. I'm gonna smash my mouse. Let's do this. If you're on a laptop. Yes, that's what you gotta do. And hit this red button. It's glowing. Please. It's waiting for you to click. There's this tiny little mouse right here, which is moving around. You're like going for watching for new videos, but if you just go down a little bit, you just see this, and you just need to have to click it, and then just not again, and then you just get the notifications, that little bell to ring, so you never miss another video. And then bing, you get a notification every time you do a video. And that's it. And make sure to leave a like, just subscribe to the channel, and to click the bell, and you'll never miss another video. And that's it for today's video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.